I am, Your Honour.
Yes, Your Honor.
Fantastic. All right. We get this show on the right. My name is Junior Magistrate Woodman. Uh, I'm here today to hear the court case of Victoria Police versus Fabio Brown. Don't tolerate any outbreaks or yelling within my courtroom. Any of this shenanigans will be met in a contempt of court. Prosecution, please step forward and identify yourself. List the charges you wish to bring forth today and what evidence you may have.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Sergeant Jeremiah Hill from Victoria Police, and this is Recruit Jared Johnson, also from Victoria Police. We'll be looking to pursue charges of evade/engage in a police pursuit on Mr. Fabio Brown.
I'll see what evidence you have for me today.
I've got a witness statement from Mr. Jared Johnson here, and some charge receipts and search receipts if you so desire.
Yes, excellent. One of the sheriffs, please step forward and grab that evidence off the sergeant.
Yeah, they're in the folder.
Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Take a seat. Defense, Mr. Brown, please step forward. Would you like me to read out the charge for you?
No, I understand the charge, Your Honour.
You understand? And how do you plead today? Guilty or not guilty?
Your Honour, I'll be pleading not guilty to the
Excellent.
charge of evade and engaging
Was
in police pursuit.
was it your idea or was it Victoria Police's idea to come to court today?
It was my idea, Your Honour.
Okay, and you are defending yourself. Obviously, you don't have a lawyer.
I am defending myself, Your Honour.
Excellent. All right, please take a seat. All right, prosecution, please step forward and begin your case. You have 8 minutes.
Yes, Your Honor. At approximately 11:50 p.m. on the 22nd of January 2024, First Constable Samantha Cody, Recruit Jared Johnson, and myself attempted to stop a blue and colour pizza delivery panto on North Rockford Drive, postcode 608, for its excessive speeds and running multiple red lights. The vehicle failed to stop, engaging in a police pursuit. This pursuit continued down North Rockford Drive in a southbound direction, taking a left onto Vespucci Boulevard. The vehicle then proceeded to enter into Red Car Garage, postcode 3201. The Panto got stuck on a staircase after trying to go down them in an attempt to escape police. The offender, who was dressed in a black suit with long brown blondie hair, then exited the vehicle, running down Peaceful Street and crossed over Vespucci Boulevard, jumping into City Central Garage, postcode 3206, where the offender then was tackled and placed in police custody. I also have Mr. Jared Johnson here, and he would also like to state his witness statement.
Oh, very good.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, Recruit.
So, my events that I recall happening was I was in the police vehicle with First Constable Samantha Cody and Sergeant Jeremiah Hill. We did chase a blue and colored Domino's pizza delivery vehicle. The vehicle eventually got stuck in the red garage, like through the stairs, in an attempt to escape. I immediately hopped out the police car to engage in a foot pursuit against the accused. And I did yell several times, Victoria Police, stop running, to where he failed to stop running. And I proceeded to tackle the individual and place the individual in handcuffs to where he was taken into police custody, was brought down to the police station, was read his rights, and was given a list of charges to where he said he wanted to take it to court. And here we are.
Excellent. All right, does the prosecution rest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. All right, defense, please step forward. You now have 8 minutes to refute the prosecution's case.
Thank you, Your Honour. Reading the laws out the front there earlier today, the law for what they're charging me states, attempting to pull away from police after being signalled to stop. Pulling is defined by deliberately increasing speeds to increase the distance between them and the pursuing vehicle. Your Honour, you've had 2 police officers that were involved, and neither of them have put forward any evidence of me increasing the speeds of my vehicle to therefore make me guilty of this charge. I understand, Your Honour, that I may have made mistakes, and there are crimes that potentially I was guilty of. And I even gave these officers in the cells the charges that I believe I'm guilty of, and they continued to push this case against me, which, Your Honour, I believe I'm not guilty for. And with the evidence that they have provided, they've provided you 0 evidence that shows me trying to increase my speeds or increase distance between them. They mentioned that, you know, I tried to use a stairway in the car, but Your Honour, where's the evidence of this in the courtroom? They have their statement, but there is 0 evidence of this because I believe that I'd done other things. I hopped out of my car at the top of a staircase and proceeded on foot, Your Honour. So I believe that I have made 0 attempt to increase my distance between these guys, and I believe that they have brought the wrong charges before you in this court of law.
When does
We'll
the
see.
comedy start?
My
Petty
defence
contempt,
rests,
petty
Your Honour.
contempt for that man that just spoke in the back. All right, thank you, defence. Please take a seat. Victoria Police, were lights and sirens used during this particular event?
Yes, Your Honour. And horn.
And a horn as well? I see. And was the pizza still warm?
Unsure, Your Honour.
I want to make sure the customers get their pizza on time. As much as I love the fact that within the city we've got a lot of Domino's vehicles running around at the moment, and they all seem to be the same except for the number plates. Obviously you didn't get any photos of this particular vehicle or its location?
Negative, Your Honour.
Negative. All right, I'm going to have a look at the evidence within chambers. What is in recess until I come back.
Ooh. He's done a good job. The fact that so he's got a charge sheet. All right. Engage police pursuit after police signals stop. Then obviously a search from Mr. Johnson.
Honestly.
Well, fingers crossed I don't.
Well, fingers
With,
Wink, wink.
have another read of it. Attempt to pull away from police after signal stop. Only way is defined by deliberately increasing speeds.
Mr. Fabio,
Yes.
what'd you do, man? Why?
I don't believe that I did what they were trying to push against me. I believe I made mistakes and I did other things that I offered to plead guilty to. But these officers were just dead set on charging me with evade. So I guess it's up to the judge to make his call.
For
All right. Victoria Police have got some more questions. Was there an increase in speed at the end of the day?
From initial pursuing or just
Was there a
at all?
traffic stop, or was there actually just lights and sirens and then the other vehicle continued without stopping?
Yeah, there was no traffic stop, Your Honour. We tried to traffic stop him, but he failed to do so.
And did the vehicle increase in speed, or did it cross into other lanes of traffic or anything like that?
He did cross into opposite lanes of travel when he crossed over from North Rockford Drive, jumping onto Vespucci Boulevard, and he did slow down multiple times and exceeded.
Objection, Your Honour, that's speculative. He's got no evidence of this.
Well, his evidence is within his testimony. I'm trying to ascertain, as per the written letter of the law, whether there was an increase of distance. And that's why
Okay.
I'm trying to determine whether
That's-
there was an increase of speed.
Okay, sorry, Your Honour.
That's all right. You can definitely question it. So it's a bit of a
Fine.
one. The defense has made the obvious point of the fact that engaging in police pursuit does specifically state pulling away is defined by deliberately increasing speeds to increase the distance between them and the pursuing vehicle. and it's very difficult to say whether there was actually an increase as per specifics within the law. And as for the running or running away, it would have been nice to have some photos to go along with the charge sheet. Victoria Police, what sentence are you seeking today?
Your Honor, probably around 70 weeks would be suffice.
I see. And does the defence have any kind of criminal history in regards to evading police or any kind of things like that?
Your Honor, may I ask if I do have a history of it? We get specific dates, just so trying to turn my life around. So it might have been a while ago when I
That's a
made
definite.
mistakes.
That's a valid reason.
Yes, Your Honor. The last evade charge was on the 26th of the 11th, 2023, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Brown, what job do you have at the moment?
Your Honor, I was lucky enough to be hired as a mechanic today.
I see.
So yeah, I'm just doing my best to turn my life around, and obviously working at Domino's, the boss there puts a big incentive on getting the deliveries there quick, and obviously I've been quite hard up recently, and I took the opportunity to try to get those incentives, and I understand I've made mistakes, and as I said earlier, if there was different charges put forward by the officers, I would have pled guilty to them. But obviously, I don't believe that I am guilty of this evade one that they are pushing on me.
And yes, so I've made my ruling in regards to this. I'm going to be defining the defendant in the ruling of engage in police pursuit or evade police not guilty in regards to the way that the law is written at this time. I believe Victoria Police has diligently pursued this particular case. However, maybe the charge would have been better in regards to maybe resist arrest or something along those natures. My ruling is final. Court is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Easy pickings.
Good job, mate.
Give him life. Give him a death sentence.
Oh dear. I'll give you this folder here. Yep, for
Bye,
the
Bobo.
officer.
See you later.
Yes, I'm sorry, Sergeant.
No,
it's
you're
a
right,
bit-
mate.
It's a bit of a tricky one. I had a good read and you got the charge sheet and everything
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
office, but photos would have been fantastic to really bring that case home.
Yeah. No,
Is
mate.
yeah, that's not a problem. At least the defendant actually turned up. This is the first one today where someone's actually turned up to defend themselves. So, yes, excellent. No worries. Have
good.
a good day.
Mate.
Stay safe out there.
See you later.
That was a really interesting case. Really interesting. He did bring the letter of the law. It's put some lot of doubt in my mind on that one. Sweet. Another court case done.